Every day we face small battles with dirt. From the moment we wake up, dust, grime, and stains seem to find their way into our lives. Whether it's the crumbs left behind after breakfast, the fingerprints on the fridge, or the muddy footprints tracked in from outside, dirt is always lurking, waiting for us to notice. Whether it's washing our hands after eating, scrubbing a muddy shirt, or sweeping the floor after a busy day, cleaning is woven into our daily routines. These tasks might seem ordinary, but they are essential for keeping our homes and ourselves healthy and comfortable. After dinner, we clean dishes, wipe down tables, and rinse off sticky utensils. Each action is a small victory against the messes that accumulate throughout the day. Cleaning isn't just a chore. It's a way to reset our environment and bring order to chaos. It may seem simple, but have you ever wondered what really happens when you wash something? What's going on beneath the surface as you scrub, rinse, and wipe? Why do some stains seem to vanish instantly, while others stubbornly refuse to budge, no matter how hard you try? Why do some stains wash away easily, while others stick around? Is it just luck, or is there something more happening at a microscopic level? The answer lies in the nature of dirt and the science of cleaning. Imagine you have just finished eating fried chicken. Your hands feel greasy, slick with oil that clings stubbornly to your skin. It's a familiar feeling, one that everyone has experienced at some point. When you try to wash them with only water, the grease stays. It feels slippery and hard to remove, no matter how much you rub your hands together. Water alone just doesn't seem to do the trick. This can be frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or want to feel clean again. This is a common problem for everyone. Whether it's greasy hands, oily pans, or stubborn stains on clothes, we all encounter messes that seem impossible to clean with just water. That's why we often reach for soap or dishwashing liquid next. These cleaning agents are our secret weapons, designed to tackle the toughest messes and make our lives easier. Suddenly, the grease is gone, and your hands feel clean again. The transformation is almost instant, as if by magic. The same goes for dishes and laundry. Soap helps lift away dirt and stains, leaving everything fresh and spotless. This makes cleaning seem like magic, but it is really a clever science at work. The way soap interacts with grease and dirt is a fascinating process, one that has been perfected over centuries. Understanding why this happens can make cleaning more interesting and even joyful. When you know the science behind it, every scrub and rinse becomes a little more satisfying, and you might even find yourself looking forward to the next cleaning challenge. Let's explore the science behind everyday cleaning. By uncovering the secrets of how soap and water work together, we can become cleaning experts in our own homes, and maybe even enjoy the process a little more. Water is great for washing away dust and loose dirt. When you rinse your hands or a surface with water, it easily lifts away particles like soil, sand, or anything that isn't stuck on too tightly. This is because water molecules are very good at surrounding and carrying away small, loose bits of debris. For everyday cleaning, like after gardening or when your hands are just a little dirty, water does a pretty good job on its own. But when it comes to greasy or oily dirt, water struggles. You might notice this especially in the kitchen, where cooking often leaves behind oily pans, greasy plates, or sticky utensils. No matter how much water you use, the grease just seems to cling on stubbornly. If you have ever tried to wash an oily pan after frying food, you know how tough it can be. You might scrub and rinse, but the slippery, shiny layer of oil just won't budge. Or maybe you've tried to wash your hands after handling butter or cooking oil. Even after rinsing for a while, your hands still feel slick and greasy. It's frustrating, and it feels like water is just sliding right off the oil instead of removing it. The oil just floats on top of the water, refusing to mix in. You can see this clearly if you pour a little oil into a glass of water. The oil forms droplets or a layer on the surface. Or, after rinsing, you might notice a greasy residue still sticking to your skin or dishes. It's as if the oil is creating a shield that water can't break through. This happens because oil and water do not mix. They are made of very different types of molecules, and they simply don't want to blend together. They are like two teams that never play together. No matter how much you shake or stir, oil and water will always separate into their own layers. Water molecules like to stick to other water molecules. This is why you see water forming droplets or beads on many surfaces. Oil molecules, on the other hand, prefer to stick to other oil molecules. They clump together and avoid mixing with water whenever possible. As a result, water cannot grab onto oil or grease. It just rolls right off, leaving the oily mess behind. This is why you see oil floating on water, instead of mixing in. The two simply don't want to combine, no matter how much you try. The same thing happens on your skin or dishes. After rinsing, a greasy film can remain, making things feel unclean and slippery. The oil forms a barrier that stops water from carrying it away. It acts like a shield, preventing water from reaching the surface underneath. To solve this problem, we need something that can bring oil and water together. We need a helper that can break through the barrier and allow water to wash the grease away. That is where soap and detergents come in. These special cleaners have unique molecules that can connect oil and water, making it possible to wash away even the toughest grease and leave your hands and dishes truly clean. Soaps and detergents contain special ingredients called surfactants. Surfactants are the key players in cleaning. Their name comes from surface active agents. They help water spread out and mix with oils and dirt. Surfactants have a unique structure. Each surfactant molecule has two different ends. One end loves water, which we call hydrophilic. The other end loves oil and grease, which is hydrophobic. This makes them perfect for cleaning. When surfactants are added to water, they move to the surface and line up. Their water-loving ends point toward the water, and their oil-loving ends reach out to grab oil. Thanks to surfactants, water can now attack grease and dirt. But how do they actually lift dirt away? Let's look closer at how they work. When you mix soap or detergent with water and rub it on greasy dirt, something special happens. The surfactants surround each bit of oil or dirt. Their hydrophobic or oil-loving ends stick into the grease, while their hydrophilic or water-loving ends stick out into the water. As more surfactant molecules gather, they form a round structure called a micelle. A micelle is like a tiny ball with oil trapped inside and surrounded by surfactant molecules. These micelles float in the water. When you rinse, the water carries away the micelles, and the dirt and grease go with them. This is how surfactants remove stubborn grease from your hands, dishes, or clothes. By breaking the barrier between oil and water, surfactants make cleaning possible. This is the main science behind all cleaning products. Now that we know how surfactants work, let's explore how this fascinating science is woven into our daily routines, often without us even noticing. Every time you reach for a cleaning product, whether it's to wash your hands, clean your clothes, or wipe down a surface, you're relying on the power of surfactants to help remove dirt, grease, and germs. These invisible helpers are at the heart of almost every cleaning task we do at home. Traditional soap, for example, has been used for centuries. It's made by combining natural oils and fats, like olive oil or animal fat, with an alkaline substance such as lye. This process, called saponification, transforms the mixture into soap, which can then trap and lift away dirt and oils from our skin and other surfaces. The simplicity of these ingredients hides the complex chemistry at work every time you lather up. Soap is incredibly effective for washing hands, cleaning our bodies, and even for laundering certain types of clothes. When you scrub your hands with soap and water, the surfactants in the soap surround and break up oils and germs, allowing them to be rinsed away easily. This simple act is one of the most important ways we protect ourselves from illness every day. Detergents, which are similar to soap, are often made from synthetic chemicals. These are specially designed to work better in challenging conditions, like hard water, which contains minerals that can make soap less effective, or in cold water, where traditional soap might not dissolve as well. Detergents are engineered to keep cleaning power strong, no matter the water type or temperature. That's why you'll find detergents in so many forms: laundry powders, liquid detergents, and dishwashing liquids. Each is formulated to tackle specific cleaning challenges, from removing tough stains on clothes to cutting through greasy dishes after a big meal. All of these products rely on surfactants, but not all surfactants are the same. Manufacturers choose different types of surfactants depending on the job. Some are better at lifting oily stains, while others are gentler for sensitive skin or delicate fabrics. This careful selection ensures that each product works as effectively as possible for its intended use. For example, hand washes and dishwashing liquids are specially formulated to be gentle on your skin, but still powerful enough to remove grease, food residue, and germs from both hands and dishes. This balance of strength and gentleness is what makes them so useful in our kitchens and bathrooms. Floor cleaners and surface sprays use unique surfactants that are designed to lift dirt, dust, and sticky residues from hard surfaces like tiles, countertops, and floors. These surfactants not only clean, but also help maintain the shine and appearance of your home's surfaces, making cleaning easier and more effective. Each Each cleaner in your home is carefully crafted for a specific purpose, whether it's for laundry, dishes, or surfaces, but they all share one thing in common. Surfactants are their main cleaning power. This shared ingredient is what makes them so effective at tackling the messes of everyday life. So the next time you pick up a bottle of cleaner, remember that you're holding a bit of science in your hands. The surfactants inside are quietly working to keep your home clean, healthy, and comfortable, making modern life a little bit easier, one wash at a time. Some detergents do more than just remove dirt. They include extra helpers like enzymes, builders, and brighteners. Enzymes are proteins that break down tough stains, like food, blood, or grass. Each enzyme targets a specific kind of dirt. Builders are chemicals that soften hard water. Hard water can stop surfactants from working well. Builders trap minerals in the water, so surfactants can do their job better. Brighteners are added to laundry detergents to make white clothes look brighter. They absorb invisible ultraviolet light and turn it into visible blue light. This makes whites appear whiter and colors appear more vibrant. All these ingredients work together to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. They are the secret helpers hiding in your cleaning products. Soap and detergents do a lot, but cleaning also needs a little help from you. Heat, movement, and time all make cleaning better. Warm water helps surfactants and enzymes work faster. It melts grease and lets cleaning ingredients spread out more easily. Rubbing or scrubbing helps to lift dirt off surfaces. When you rub your hands together or scrub a shirt, you are helping the surfactants reach every spot of dirt. Time matters too. The longer you leave soap or detergent on a stain, the more chance it has to break down the dirt. For tough stains, soaking clothes in soapy water is very effective. Using the right mix of heat, rubbing, and time, along with good cleaning products, will give you the best results every time. Understanding the science behind cleaning can turn a boring chore into something interesting. When you know how surfactants, enzymes, and other ingredients work, you see cleaning in a new way. It is not just about scrubbing, it is about teamwork between you and the products you use. This knowledge can help you choose the best cleaner for each job. If you know a stain is protein-based, like egg or blood, you can pick a detergent with enzymes. If you are washing greasy dishes, use a product with strong surfactants. Knowing the science also helps you feel more in control. You can solve cleaning problems with confidence and even share your new knowledge with friends and family. Every time you wash your hands, clean clothes, or scrub a floor, you are using the same science. Surfactants break down the barrier between oil and water. Enzymes and builders make cleaning even better. Heat, rubbing, and time help everything work together. Cleaning is not just a daily task, it is a small victory made possible by smart science. When you know how it works, you can clean with more joy and confidence. So next time you reach for soap or detergent, remember the science at work. Let it spark a little joy, knowing you are using powerful tools to make your world cleaner and brighter.